Hi, this is Tracy from WeCraft at Home, and I've had a request about how to sort out and make in the canvas projects. So there's hundreds of them, we all know that. They come up when you open your canvas workspace, but if you've closed it and then you want it, you just click on this button here and it brings it all up. I thought I'd do it now because of all the Halloween projects have just come up, quite a few, although I have noticed some of them are old, ones from before, but still, let's go ahead and have a look. So how about some Halloween string lights? Whatever project you go on, you'll always get a video showing you how to cut it out and put it together, written instructions or recipe as they call it, and each part that you need to cut out. So the video, if you play it, it comes up like this. You can, if you click, it will take you over to YouTube. See, this is old because it's using the old machine. And it will just go through everything you need to do to get ready for it, and then it will show you the machine cutting it out and then how to put it together. It's usually quite a go. So now it's going to show you how to put it together. There's no talking, so you don't have an annoying voiceover like mine. But it will show you exactly what you have to do to put it all together. Okay, so I think you get the idea of that. It shows you how to put everything together. And then piece by piece you cut these out. So whatever one you click on, it will go onto your mat. So although it hasn't told you that's what it's done, it's gone onto your mat. So you minimize, and there it is. Cut that out and then bring it back up down here. Just hover and then click on that and bring your next part over. If you want to, I've shut it down. If you want to save it, bring all the parts over and just file, export FCM file and save it wherever you like to save your files. It's really as easy as that. There are hundreds of projects on here. You can search for a particular one if you want, but let me just show you and there's all different ones as well. They're not just card projects. There's for using material, there's the heat press in there, doing a drawstring bag, cake topper. So it's not just papers, it's a bit of everything. So as you can see, as you go down, there are so many little projects that you can do, and each one is very simple to do and really worth doing as well, to be honest. Some of them are pretty good. I've done this. I love this. It really looks good when you put it out. Should I go on it? So it's just 4 sides, the top, and then these, you want 4 of them because they're the inners, so you do it in vellum usually, and it is lovely. It really is. So some of them are worth doing. I haven't done them all, obviously. Yeah, but that's how you do a canvas project, and then you either cut it out or save it, whatever you prefer to do. I hope that helps. Any questions, just drop me a line and I will try and help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.